Hi there, I would like to introduce Market Newbie's educational packages to you. Bronze Pack, free educational videos, news, market updates, frequently posted on Market Newbie's Facebook and Instagram pages, free consultation and sharing of what we buy and sell to target 5 to 10% annual profit. Silver Pack, more than 2,000 minutes of targeted educational videos to teach you stock, forex, and future market investment in 3 languages, Persian, English, and Mandarin. Our commitment to answer your questions about the video contents in less than 24 hours. Gold Pack, one-to-one teaching sessions through Skype in 3 languages, Persian, English, and Mandarin. Diamond Pack, assigning a private investment coach to help you reach your investment goals. Setting 20 to 30% annual return target as your goal. Follow us on our social media pages and our website. Market Newbie,